how to turn on or turn off tone detection on Grammarly app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off tone detection. So first thing you have to do, go to Grammarly, and now all what you have to do is choose the second option, Grammarly settings, and here you go. Now from here you can turn off or turn on tone detection on your Grammarly keyboard. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.